Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best ball joint press kit in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best ball joint press kit that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the KSP Adjustable Ball Joint Press Kits. We came with another choice of our best ball joint press, which is the KSP Adjustable Ball Joint Press Kits. The tool works for the imported 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive and American domestic cars and small trucks. Also, the 4-wheel toolkit gives services to 1967 over the present 3/4 ton and 1/2 ton vehicles. It removes and installs ball joints by having the Dana 44 front axle, which is well suited for all control arms such as the GM, Ford, IHC, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles. The KSP press kit includes 3 receiving tubes, 1 removal adapter, 1 installation adapter, 1 screw, 1 forcing screw press, 1 install cup adapter, 1 installing cup, and 1 receiving cup. Well, the tool also comes with high-quality thread bolts and a C-clamp that makes the tool more robust and makes sure of its longevity. The installation of the thread bolts is more accessible and hassle-free. And it makes a unique air design so that it can protect the tool from any damages. Moreover, the package comes with a professional plastic box that can be ideal for a gift for anyone. And finally, it delivers you a 1-year warranty and 1 monthly return policy. Moving on at number 4, we have the Orion Motortech 2-1 PCS Master Ball Joint Press. The Orion Motortech 2-1 PCS Master Ball Joint Press comes with 22 balls joint pressed set along with a multi-size adapter that can remove the press fit parts efficiently. The tool contains 9 adapters, 1 C-frame, 1 center rod, and 1 install cup. 1 install adapter, 1 install cup adapter, 3 receiving tubes, 1 receiving cup, 1 sleeve, 1 screw, and 1 removal adapter. It can remove the brake anchor pins, U-joints, ball joints to the 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive vehicles. It also won't remove the control arm from your vehicle. Moreover, the professional-grade high-quality tool is the best companion for novices, off-road warriors, and professional mechanics. So, the tool is well suited with any type of wide range of vehicles universally. It uses the Orion Motortech to remove and install them that is ideal for most of the Chevy, GM, Dodge, Ford, vans, sport utility vehicles, or 2- and 4-wheel drive pickups. And it will give the best service for having Dana 28, 30, 35, 4, 60 axles. The durable tool designs with durable forged solid carbon steel. Besides, the adapter covers with an anti-rust black oxide finish make the tool long-lasting and fight corrosion and rust. At number 3, we have the Powerbuilt 23-piece ball joint and U-joint service set. Here we come with another ball press joint, the Powerbuilt 23-piece ball joint and U-joint service set. The tool is one of the best solutions for most situations in mechanical works. It is mainly built for the top tool standards and an ideal tool to serve you the best. And it works for the truck brake anchor pins efficiently on the 4WD ball joints and also removes and installs the U-joints. The 3.75 by 21.25 x 15.38 inches Powerbuilt tool designs remove and install the press fit style ball joints. It won't take the control arm of your vehicle. It can also remove the rusted and corroded parts without any hassle. And it comes with a set of 23-piece kits that are ideal for domestic and imports back wheel vehicles. Besides, the 4-in-1 set provides you with all the essential tools to make your task easier. At number 2, we have the ABN Ball Joint Press Tool Set. Another most incredible choice from our best ball joint press is the ABN ball joint press tool set. The tool has been providing the best service for years. Also, it comes with a set of 10-piece toolkits. And, the tool helps to run a smooth operation every time. Moreover, it works like a universal joint press, ball joint separator tool, suspension bushing, and rod end remover tool. Furthermore, it helps to remove rusted, worn, or corroded parts efficiently. Well, the tool provides 3 installation adapters, 3 receiver tubes, 3 removal adapters, and 1 C-frame ball joint press and forcing screws. The tool is covered with heavy-duty forged steel that can deliver extreme power and durability. Besides, the black oxide finish is able to fight corrosion and rust. In addition, the tool works for the imported 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive cars, small trucks, and most domestic vehicles. The 15 by 11 by 3 inches tool also covers a plastic blow-molded carrying case along with the handle. It helps you with quick organization, safe storage, and also easy transportation. And finally, at number 1, we have the Orion Motortech Heavy-Duty Ball Joint Press and Ujoint Removal Toolkit. The toolkit is really essential for all types of your mechanical needs. That is, the beginner's and professional mechanic's best friend. The tool is very well known for its professional superiority and durability. It comes with a 4WD adapter that can remove press-fit parts smoothly. It can also remove the ball joints, brake anchor pins, U-joints to the 2WD and 4WD vehicles. The highest quality Orion Motortech makes it more versatile. The toolkit is surrounded by a durable 11 inches by 3 inches by 15 inches carrying case that is designed with a plastic blow mold for safe and easy portability. It also includes a removal adapter, receiving tube, installing cup, receiving cup.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.